Hello, YouTube world. I'm about to present you the biggest burping girl on this whole planet. So here we go. Hello.
Hello.
Oh, okay. So, how are you?
Good and you?
Okay, I'm fine. Thank you. Okay, can you give us your biggest burp ever?
I'm gonna try.
You can do it. No, you can do better. Oh! Okay, can you give us your second biggest burp ever? Whoa, I can feel it. Wow. Can you give us your penguin burp?
Yeah, penguin
that's
burp.
special.
That's a new and it's real special. Yeah, wait.
Oh, so hot.
Yum.
Okay. Can you give a message for YouTube?
Yes.
Like a thank you for watching this video or whatever?
Thank you for watching this video. We need subscribers.
Okay.
Thank you.